Welcome. I'm the weekend farmer, and today I want to talk to you guys about beets. So, it is May here in Central Texas, and I am going to harvest the beets that I have grown earlier this year. So, I put these seeds into the ground in early March, and it is about 60 days, 60 to 65 days since I put these seeds in the ground, and I checked yesterday and they look like they are ready to be harvested. So if you can see, the way that I grow my beets are in clumps. So each beet seed, I believe, is called a multi-germ, and what that means is each little seed has multiple potential for individual beets. So I grow them here in the clumps and they don't have any problems with crowding. I grow about 3 to 4 in one clump, and what it does is it just grows and then it spreads out from each other, like if you notice here. So I have several different varieties here. This one back here is called a golden beet. As you notice, it has green leaves with kind of a yellowish golden stem. This one here is called a cylindra. So it is more, instead of a round color, it's more of a long type of beet here. And I'm gonna pull a couple and show you guys. This one here with the beautiful red leaves is called bull's blood. Interesting note, all of these leaves are edible. They are super nutritious. Just kind of give you some facts about beets itself. Beets is a superfood. I'm surprised a lot of people don't give it a lot of attention. It deserves a lot of attention because the it's kind of a two for one. You can eat the beets, the root, but you can also eat the leaves and stems. So the roots are super nutritious. They have folate, they have antioxidants, they have fiber in it. The leaves themselves are super nutritious. They also have, fiber, folate, manganese. They have vitamin K. These here, vitamin K, I believe vitamin A as well. So they're super nutritious. So I mentioned this one is bull's blood. This one here is called Ruby Queen. Oh my gosh, this one is huge. And then I have ones back here, and these are called cylindra. So let's go ahead and just pick a couple of them. What you want to do is pick them when they're about an inch to an inch and a half up from the ground. So you notice this one here is ready to be pulled. So all I'm going to do is just gently tug at it because I don't want to disturb the other ones in the clump. Remember, this one is the cylindra. Wow, there we have it. Isn't that amazing? I'm gonna put it out here. Oh, this poor guy came with it. Oh well. Wow, that is quite a beet. And look at those greens. Those are so nutritious. Yep. So let's look for a couple more. Oh, this one is ready to be harvested. The other thing is you don't want to wait too long to harvest these because even though you may think like you want a bigger, wow, a bigger root for your beet, if they get too big, they get fibrous. And then it's not as good to eat because it's so fibrous. I'm gonna pick a bunch of these and then I'll come back. Okay, here's my final haul. Wow, I put these in the ground March, and here we are about 60 days later, ready to harvest. I'm gonna save all these beet greens and I'm gonna cook them, saute them, just like you would with any greens. You can also put them in smoothies, you can put them in salads. Yeah. Okay, here's our harvest of beets for today. So starting from the left, we have This one is called a Ruby Queen, Cylindra, Bull's Blood, Golden Beet, and this one is called, I think, called Shiogia or something like that. Um, you notice that I washed them, I cleaned them, I washed the tops. This is the leftover leaves, and what I'm gonna do is just compost that. The beneficial nutrients in it, it's just gonna go right back in the compost pile. But here's my haul. I suspect that that probably weighs anywhere from 3 to 5 pounds. With just the roots, the leaves are amazing. But isn't it so beautiful? Look at the color. This is Mother Nature at her finest. I love the way that these look. I'm so happy at how they turned out.